Hello, Miss. They and present the biography of my son Samuel Estupiñán Bernal. Samuel was born on August 7, 2012 in Bogota. His parents are Wilson Estupiñán and Caroline Bernal. He is an only child. He learned to walk when he was 1 year old and his first two came up 2 months later. He arrived at kindergarten at 2 years old. He began elementary school when he was 5 years old. He is very intelligent. Won the first place of the Math Olympics performed at the school. The year goes by. This was the ceremony graduation of transition. When he turned 6 years old and traveled to Santa Marta. He loves going to beach. Their favorite food is pizza. Their favorite color is blue. His favorite hobbies are running, listening to music, and playing video games. Currently, his favorite movie is Toy Story 4. He is very funny and loving. He likes to spend time with his cousins since are the same age. And finally want to tell you that he has been the best gift that God could give me. Your kiss and your occurrence gives life to my life. I love you, Samuel. I am very proud of you. Thanks, Miss Carrero.